guys, it's Cameron. In today's video, we're playing Press the Button. Yes, a part 2 without doing a voiceover. Let me find it. It's gonna be kind of hard. Okay guys, please don't rush me. I'm just a girl. Why is this actually... Okay, I think I'm gonna have to type it. Yep, I have to type it. It might be on here. Oh, there it is. Did you see it? Ah. Okay. Let's get into it. Sorry if you can hear me lift. I had to put my microphone down. I don't have anything to hold it. Okay, I'm kind of scared. But okay. Okay, let's start. Where am I? I jumped really high. Are people even dying? This is actually really cool. How are those people dying? Oh, I pressed it. Oh, you got it. Okay. There, I pressed it. Correct key for the door. Oh no. Girl, how did she already find it? There's bombs. Oh, I fell. Okay, this is actually pretty fun.